Na matalo dyan ah.
That's so cricket. Cricket.
Critical hits. Damn. Ay, shit.
Ay, bumiwag naman. Kapag ka rin. Wow, he's talking while he's
May ano ba? Gusto ko na kung dominating.
Indian accent, Indian accent. Indian accent. Brilliant movie! I-trash talk mo na siya. Kasi natatalog siya, i-trash talk mo na sa sarili mo. Hindi ka daw challenge para sa kanya. Take the... Wow! Wow! Wow!
Uy!
Wala naman yung chick.
Wow! Wow!
Check mo siya ng...
Goody good.
Dapat check mo siya, tapos click mo yung rock.
Nakakachik na.
Kanina.
Nakakachik na.
Kanina. Nung nag-on dyan. Wow, mablang mo. Like this before.
G? You sure you're not trolling me?
Wow, it's trolling.
G?
Johnny.
Very good, G. Check. Where's the best move?
Just like this ugly bald pawn. It's in a police.
Oh, may busuras mo.
Wow, G4 pala.
Grabe.
Hindi.
G4 bro.
Bro.
Basta come back.
Wala na nga.
Bro saying come back like he's celebrating. Oh. Yeah.
G4 takes na, di ba?
Get humble.
Lagyan yun.
Be humble or get humble.
I'm being humble, bro.
Yeah. Get humble.
Yeah,
Wow, is losing.
Yan.
Type now.
Hindi.
Lagay mo yung net ko doon.
Ha?
Lagay mo yung
Hindi naman bishop.
yung ano. Pwede.
Kung na dito.
Just bro, just make a move, bro. Your time is ticking. I said ticking. Bro, I don't talk to them.
Grabe ko ngayong makambal. Grabe.
Bro, you can hear.
Gagawa mo.
Kala ko tayo ka na. See you next dito. Lapit ang so
Ka na.
Hindi naman ako block ko. Oh, that's great. His hair.
Panira ng posisyon kasi kung paano yung ginagawa niya eh. Panira ng posisyon.
Baka nakadrug si Lance or nagdi-relapse na skill. Like, gusto ba siya? Bro, saan siya relapse? Ay. Spin the night. Old Bishop. Spin the night. Old Bishop. Spin the night. Good job. Good job. This sweet job. Next Knight G6. Next move. Knight G6. Indian Gambit. Knight G6. Knight G6. Bakit ka naman yan? Tapos, ay, libre dyan ay. Hindi, tapos Knight E5. Knight E5.
Kaya, oy.
Knight E5. Knight E5. Knight E5. Knight E5. No! No! Yes! I don't know! Bishop E5!
Pati ngayon,
Boy!
nagsali ka dyan?
See bro, it's just really like
Sayang.
villagers.
Nalik ka dyan? Sa akin dito alam yung...
Villagers?
Really,
You like emerald.
Ay, hindi mo alam?
Okay.
Doon sa pun. Athletic ball. Alas libre sa Torino.
Okay.
Tapos pag nag-blunder
Sa Badu
Diyan naman
nito.
daw po
Oh
kasi
my
oh.
God!
Diyan.
Doon sa taas, sa second floor. Hindi sa baba.
Friends, I mean, lunch is getting cooked. Yes, humble. Bro is getting humble.
Sorry bro.
Humble by
Prime time is
humble
over.
by the chair.
Prime time is over.
Bro, you need to retire. You're not the prime, bro.
You're not the prime below. Oh shit.
Rook B7, Rook B7. What? Ano? Uy, tumawid ka sa'yo. Baka irarasin tayo din. Challenge!
Shalan. Anong shalan?
Tralalan.
Pinagkagawa.
Tralalan.
Tralala.
Witch love. Tralalel. Tralalan. Oo, tralalel. Tralalan.
Ay, shit, walang increment.
Wala. Pardakam! Panik! Panik!
Bro. Pati.
Oy!
Oy, kaya lang kasi. Shit,
Carlos!
Carlos!
Bro!